cooking for royalty and heads of state. His recipes were shared amongst American chefs throughout the United States. And yet he worked as a cook in a small Baltimore tavern with no family or friends. In 1801, James cooked for one last time in Monticello. He was paid $30 for several weeks of work. It was probably too painful to work on a plantation where his family was still enslaved. James left Monticello, never to return. 2 months later, James died. He was 36 years old. We honor James's life for his culinary contributions and for his triumphs and the tribulations he endured. So the next time you're eating macaroni and cheese, whipped cream, creme brulee, or meringue, please think of James Hemings and share this story.